The major benefits of knowing your why. The first thing that we want you to understand is that you can have more than one why statement. You can have an overall personal why statement, and you can have individual why statements for each of your goals. Your overall personal why statement. When you commit to writing an overall personal why statement, it forces you to think very deeply about the purpose of your life and to provide you with clarity about what things are really important for you. A personal why statement will determine how you need to progress with your personal development. You will be defining your real purpose and your ideal life, and it is very likely that there will be gaps that you need to fill. In your personal why statement, you will define what your true values are and what you really aspire to in life. Once you have written your overall personal why statement, it will imprint your true purpose and real values in your mind. Once you have written your personal why statement, you need to include this in everything that you do. When you create your plans for each day and each week, it is essential that you base these things on your personal why statement. This will give you the focus and the drive to complete all of your actions. Individual why statements for your goals. We recommend that you create your overall why statement first. The reason for this is that it will help you to decide what you really want from your life and be the driving force behind the goals that you set. If you try to set goals that do not align with your personal why statement, then it is very unlikely that you will achieve them. Having an individual why statement for every goal that you set is necessary because you can make these specific to each goal. As long as the goal why statements all fit with your overall personal why statement, then this is fine. So, if you want to make additional income or lose weight, then it is fine to write a separate why statement for both of these. Your overall personal why statement will inspire you in general, while having separate goal why statements should inspire and motivate you to achieve each of your goals. Here are the 6 major reasons why you need why statements. 1. It defines who you truly are and what you want. Trying to pursue goals that you are not truly committed to achieve is a thankless task. It will be almost impossible for you to be totally inspired if your heart is not really in it. You need to find out where your heart truly lies and what you truly want to achieve in your life. When you have a personal why statement, it will give you a real sense of purpose in your life. If it is written correctly, we will cover this in another video, then it will motivate you and help you to set goals that really inspire you. A strong why statement will make you jump out of bed each morning full of hope and anticipation for the day ahead. 2. Why statements provide focus. Have you ever set goals that you were really not committed to? We have all done this, and as we said before, you can often be influenced by others to do this or just believe that you should do it. In this situation, you will not be truly focused to achieve these goals because the right level of a commitment is not there. After writing your personal why statement, you will know what your next moves need to be. You can prioritize and focus so that you achieve everything that you want a step at a time. When you read your why statement every day, it will provide you with a sharp focus on the things that you need to be doing in your life. 3. Decision-making becomes a lot easier. You will find that having a strong personal why statement, it will be a lot easier for you to make decisions. We're talking about all decisions here, both large and small. If you do not have true clarity about your mission in life, then every decision will be a lot tougher to make. This does not just apply to setting personal goals, although it will help massively in this area. General decisions that you make every day will become easier. You will probably make some changes to the types of products that you purchase in the future as a result of your personal why statement, for example. 4. You become accountable. If you drift along in life, then you have a very low level of accountability. You just go with the flow and do not really think too much about the consequences of your actions. When you write and commit to a personal why statement, all of that changes. You will make decisions more carefully because you will need to think about the consequences. At first, it may take you a little longer to make decisions after you have written your personal why statement. That's okay, because it will not take you long to adapt to this new decision-making process, and at the end of the day, you know it will be worth it because the decisions truly integrate with who you are. 5. You will probably be healthier and live longer. A number of studies have confirmed that people that have a personal why and know their purpose in life tend to be healthier and live longer than others that don't. The reasons for this are not fully understood, but one theory which seems very credible is that when you have a personal why, you have a prospective purpose. This means that you really look forward to fulfilling your purpose in life and drive towards it every day. People that do this tend to suffer less from stress, as they have clarity and their minds are not full of other thoughts which lead to indecision. 6. You will become more resilient. When you have a personal why, you will usually be able to better handle setbacks in life. You will be able to look at each setback and see meaning in them. People that drift in life do not see setbacks in the same way. With your purpose in life identified, you will feel that you have mastery to assist you when things go badly in your life. You will not hang on to things that don't matter, and you will always learn from any obstacles you encounter. Your resilience increases, and bouncing back from adversity is quick and relatively painless for you. In the next video, we will discuss how you can find your why in life.